In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox internal server error 500. Now the way that you can fix this is usually it's because there's a Roblox error with the servers or anything. So the first step is you can simply just Google Roblox server status and then try and wait and see if it's because of Roblox or if it's because of your PC. Now usually this is the main issue, just Roblox has some issues, but another thing you can try is you can go here and search for apps and features. In here you want to search for Roblox and then you want to uninstall everything from Roblox. Once you've done that, you want to Google Roblox download the app, and then when you have the installer right here, you want to go to the folder. Inside the folder, what you want to do is you want to right click on the installer and you want to run that one as an administrator. And once you've done that, try and launch it and then it should hopefully work. Now, like I said, if it's not working otherwise, it's mainly because the servers are down or Roblox is having an issue. So simply just wait and see if it solves itself. Otherwise, you can try and do this one. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.